Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so let's make some turkey drumsticks in the oven. Yes, we're going to top that off with some sauteed onions and gravy. Oh my, 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 my. Okay, let's do it. Alright, thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe. I appreciate the thumbs up. Thank you. I look forward to welcome you. If you're new, come on over. Alright. Okay, so I have here 3 turkey drumsticks that I paid $4.99 for. Okay. I'm going to put some granulated garlic on it. Some lemon pepper, salt free. Some granulated onion. And some chives. Okay, and I'm going to put a few drops of olive oil on here so I can massage the seasonings in. Like so. Okay, now I'm going to turn it over. Let me wash my hands and I'll do the same. Okay, so the lemon pepper again. Some granulated garlic. Onion. Chives. A few drops of olive oil on there. Okay, I'm just going to pat it so it can actually go all over the drumsticks. Okay, also what I want to show you is I did cut a little slice on each side of the drumstick so that it could cook faster. Okay, so I have a roasting pan here. Let me wash my hands. Okay, in the roasting pan I have 3 ounces of water. I have some sofrito here. I'm going to put that in the bottom. 2 heaping tablespoons full. Okay, so I'm going to mix the sofrito around in the water so that it all can cook in those nice flavors of the sofrito. Yes. Okay, so now I'm going to put it in. And the reason why I'm picking the roasting pan is because the roasting pan will help cook it slower, and I'm going to like the end results. I just put some water in my plate to get my excess seasoning out. Okay. Now I'm going to cover this. I'm going to put it in the oven on uh, 400 degrees. Okay? Alright. And I'll be back to show you when that's done. We're looking for a temperature of 165. Okay? Alright, let's do it. Okay, guys. Here's the turkey drumsticks out of the oven. Okay, it cooked for about 45 minutes. Okay, until it got to 165 temp. So now I want to make the gravy. So I'm going to saute 1 onion in this frying pan. Turn the fire on, let that get hot. Okay, I'll let that get hot first. Okay, and the other thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the turkey right off the bone itself. Okay, I'm going to take it off the bone so that I'm left with just the turkey meat, and that will stretch a meal. Okay, rather than give each person a turkey drumstick, this will feed 4 instead of 3. So you get the idea. So I'm going to take the turkey off the bone, and I'll bring you back at that point. Okay, so our sauteed onions is done, as you can see here. And I picked the turkey meat off the 3 turkey drumsticks. Okay, so we can stretch the meal. Alright, now I want to add the gravy. I have some chicken gravy here. This is about 3/4 of a package. Now I'm going to add the broth from the turkey pan. So the turkey pan had a little bit of broth in it. I added some water to it, and that's how I got the balance of the broth. Okay, so you can see we have a nice color gravy here. So I'm going to add the turkey to the gravy. And I'm going to add the balance of the broth. Now I'm going to add some dried cranberries. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna plate this up. I'm gonna have it over some white rice. So let me do that and let you see that. Just want it to cook a few more minutes so that the cranberries absorb some of the gravy. And there you have it. You could easily feed 4 people with this dish. Okay, how about that? So now you know how to stretch a meal. We took 3 turkey drumsticks and cooked them, took the meat off the bone, added some sauteed onions and gravy, and we stretched the meal. Okay, that's an important meal point for you. Alright, let me just plate it up for you. Okay, so here's what we're looking like. The turkey with the cranberries and gravy with the sauteed onions, cut off the bone. Look at that. And this, I have it over rice to taste for you. Okay, let me taste. Okay, let me taste. Okay, I have everything. The turkey is nice and tender. I love the idea of the cranberries because when I bite into it, the flavor comes right out in my mouth. And of course, the rice goes with the dish. Okay, I think you're going to like this. And now you can see how you can stretch a meal, okay? Alright, thumbs up, share the video and subscribe. Love you, bye-bye.